BREKETE family don finally call Finland government make the rendition Simon Ekpa. Things are happening. But wonderful people, the story wey we get for our hand today, na be this man wey they call BREKETE family. They say the man don provoke go dey call Finland government to say make the rendition Simon Ekpa. But it's very funny that you are calling international community who don't speak your language, and this is how Nigeria always disgrace themselves. They say that Nnamdi Kanu once said something. He said that anybody who is serving Nigeria will come back with shame, and this is what is happening now. You see, I'm going to play the video for you to watch. But before we go to this particular update, get information what would they get right now, that Nnamdi Kanu has been denied doctor in DSS custody again, and they never want any doctor to see him. Things are happening, and there is information that we got. This one now one information will be saying a secret one. Oh, now they bring and come. They say that as we dey talk right now, that DSS and Nigeria government, since Nnamdi Kanu have rejected their own proposal and still consisted that there must be a referendum. They say as it be like this now, the federal government and the DSS are planning something bad in Onyendu. But I'm telling all Biafrans that nothing they will do, they will succeed. But everybody have to put Nnamdi Kanu in prayer. Very, very important. And this is the information where would they get as we stand right now. Okay, my people, let's jump inside that matter where current come concerning BREKETE family. I will show you the video, may you watch. But before we jump inside the video, please share and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates. My people, you are still in Balabas G's. Let us watch the video together before we come back and continue.
One side. Talk to me in English, my friend. Talk to me in English. Now, machine be this. I've been waiting.
Did they sound like mention or not? You know, say ordinary president.
Wait, let you talk finish. I go press 1 because normally they talk say we are one day. I don't press 1.
You know, as their nose be, sometimes the thing they affect.
Transformer waiting. Now, hello, good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Yeah, this is
emergency number for consular services.
Yes, this is ordinary president calling you from Abuja, Nigeria.
Yes.
Yes, I want to tell you to tell your government to stop supporting a terrorist in your country while he is destroying Nigeria. I am calling you from Human Rights Radio and Television. Listen to me first. Listen to me first, my friend.
Please call directly.
No, I am talking to you. I want you to tell your useless government that we don't like what the Finland government is doing. By housing, he has ended the call on me. Call him back. No be Nigeria, no. From the way they talk now, from nosy they talk.
His own not be like.
Call him. Everybody where they watch this program, call this number. Bombard them. Tell them they can't destroy Nigeria. Let them know that they have touched the wrong side of Nigeria. You don't they call back? You don't they?
Yeah, bye.
I am still warning you. Tell your government to stay out of Nigeria's issues. We have our internal issues. How can your country give asylum to Simon Ekpa, who has ordered his people to kill Nigerians in Nigeria, and they are killing people? Please tell your government. This is the ordinary president talking to you. My friend, I'm talking to you. Answer me. You say what? Say it. Talk to me clearly.
Ministry for Foreign Affairs of Finland, Consular Service.
We should talk to Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Finland.
Consular Service of that ministry. So if
my friend, what is wrong with you? I'm talking to you. You are saying something else.
If you have a criminal person in Finland, I recommend you to contact Finnish police.
It can escalate it.
No, he said if we have criminal in Finland, we should escalate.
It can escalate the
This is
www.policy.fi.
say the website again. Say the website again so we can take it. www.what?
Papa Oscar Lima, India, Sierra, India. Policy.
Do you know how to use the phone? Talk to me clearly. I'm talking to you clearly, so talk to me clearly.
I give you internet access address www. Then I tell you letter by letter. Papa Oscar Lima.
Get somebody that understands English to come and take over from you so we can understand what he or she is saying.
Sierra, India.
He's trying to give us code language. Lima, whatever. You know they talk and well. Make you open my talk and we go bombard them with mails. Now, I promise you, before 12 o'clock in the afternoon today, they will receive nothing less than 1 million mails. But he's not even saying the email address clearly.
Please, my man, please. Contact Finnish police. Please.
Contact what?
Your address.
Increases a little.
Okay, send me a message of this address. Thank you very much for responding.
Phone as text.
Send a text message to this number now. Please.
No, negative.
Never.
Cannot do that. No.
Never, right?
Will not.
If these people continue to kill our people in Nigeria, then you should tell Finland people to leave Nigeria. Thank you. Make them go. Make one say after this program they fit arrest me, but it is okay by me. No. It is just prepare. You have it in mind. You understand? But I am prepared for it. It is a sacrifice for those that have died and those that are going to be killed. As we speak now, they are killing. They went to INEC office. They went to police headquarters. They went to different places. They've been going around killing people.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I have watched that video, this is now the moment where the BREKETE feminists, they call the Finland authorities, say made then rendition Simon Ekpa come to Nigeria. But the issue is that Nigeria is facing a lot of challenges. So Simon Ekpa is not a problem over there. Why can't you call Tinubu to make fuel price go down? Why can't this BREKETE family tell the government to give them order to make sure say that the food stop everything, the price that is skyrocketing, the dollar that is going up, everything go down so that the citizens will get a better life? Is it Simon Ekpa is causing all those things? This is the problem. This is the question I want people to answer me. But however, let us talk about Nnamdi Kanu. I'm going to tell this into IPOB worldwide. IPOB worldwide, please take note of this thing. The stage Nnamdi Kanu is now is no longer a stage of let us follow due process, let us keeping calm, let us go into court. If IPOB do not shake Nigeria, something will not happen. I'm telling people the truth. Anybody they preaching you again, telling you be calm down, God is going to take control, calm down, the due process, the court, that person is scamming you people. If you like, you take it. If you like, you don't take it. If there is no nationwide protest, and that IPOB must do something that will shake Nigeria. IPOB must do something that will shake Nigeria. Do not take this step, Nnamdi Kanu will not be released. Take it from me. You know, here we'll say the truth. We'll tell you the truth how it is. So if you like, you take it. If you don't like, do not take it. This is the only solution. It's not going to be a violent protest, but let it be a peaceful protest. But if they want to intimidate you people, let men be on ground and let men challenge them. This is the only language Nigeria government is going to understand to release Nnamdi Kanu. If you people keep on keeping quiet, they will keep you people quiet. A time will come when they will postpone the court case indefinitely. They can tell you is next year, this one is this one. I'm giving you somebody you don't know. Oh God, I don't know. I don't want to go more deeper in what is happening, but I just want to tell IPOB to reason and be wise in this particular part right now. Be wise. Nah, this is the only thing I got to say here. Guys, please share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot.